Hey all, just doing a quick video. Welcome back to Wayne's Garage. As you all know, I make rush repair panels for HRs and HD Holdens and branching out into other makes and models. So I just thought I'd drop you around, show you some of the stuff that's at the local car show today. Holdens, Fords, Morrises, you name it, there's a whole heap of different ones here. So let's just do a quick video and we'll go from there. So flip you around and yeah, roll. Alright, now we've only got 8 minutes to wander around and have a check out some of these cars. Oh, big ditch there. So this one's a HQ no, SS. I think this one is. GTS 308. Holden. And this one here, this is a local car. I've actually bought some parts from this gentleman. Fully restored. Not long finished. Oh, you're good, mate. And I bought some of the original components for a build, engine build that I'm doing. These are the particular cars that have started my business. And just so you know, I make the lower quarters, the lower rear quarters, a dogleg section down here, all the door corners, lower guards, front and rear floors, boot floors. I've actually got 10 of them on the go at the moment. Making the sedan lower sections and the quarters, and yeah. So we'll jump around over here and I remember correctly, this is the old money pit. Yeah, the Ford that I want to show everyone, there's a couple here, because we've got the hardtop Ford Club here. John Goss special. A few of the others. I was going to say, it's probably getting wet now. It's probably getting wet in there.
Yeah.
Well, we're probably going to wrap this up soon.
Yeah. He went home.
Hey, hey. Sorry?
Sorry.
I'm doing a live video. Oh, well, was doing a live video. Now I'm just filming.
I'm taking my favourite car.
It's nice.
Yes.
Continental.
Speaking this is out. Just this one. You're down the bottom end. Have a look at that acceleration. Show the one here, some work at the moment. I do everything with it. Well, I actually started the railways in Ipswich. So, as a driver, Tony Nicholas. Yeah, he used to work with me, he went to safety. And then he went to... Nick, he's here behind me. Nick, down here. Rodney's here. Rodney's sister's here. She just played the one. Mia, where's my little chicken?
It's a kit car. So I'd like to quickly apologise about the ending of the car show video. I ran out of space on the phone, so I'm going to leave it there. On that, hope you all like. Please like, subscribe, We're going to throw some links and that into the description, so go and follow those guys and show them some love. Alright, cheerio, stay safe and keep your upside down. Ciao.